Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Trisha Chatterjee. I have been on Instagram for a while now with over 500k amazing followers who inspire me every day. And I'm super excited to bring my love for skincare, makeup hauls and lifestyle content on YouTube in long format videos. This channel is all about real talk on beauty and lifestyle. From honest product reviews and skincare routines to the latest makeup hauls and everyday tips that actually work for us. Whether you are a new or pro, I want my channel to be a go-to spot for discovering what's worth your time and money. I've been a bit dormant for years, but I'm back and more ready than ever to dive deep. I know how overwhelming the beauty world can be with so many new launches and trends. So here, I'm keeping it honest, simple and fun. Expect detailed skincare demos, in-depth reviews, monthly makeup hauls and lifestyle tips, and even some more travel and day in my life content. Plus, I love connecting with you all and answering your questions. So comment away and let's make this community where we learn and glow together. If you are excited to join this journey, hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss a video. And if you want sneak peeks, quick updates or just wanna say hi, follow me on Instagram at Trisha Chatterjee09. Link is always in the description below. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I can't wait to share this new chapter with you all. Here's to glowing skin, gorgeous makeup and the lifestyle we love together. See you in the next video.